Okay, this has to be a quick one.
Here we go.
Dude, cut this down.
Dude, they just planted it and lay. Dude, that's such a bad play to a mango tree. That's even worse than when I put it on that cliff as a clock. Dude, this was a mistake.
Oh, sorry.
What's up there? Can I get it? Yes!
Nice.
Trying to pull a little sneaky.
See, I pulled a sneaky on you.
See if I can get a kill middle with my finger.
I got dibs on the warlock.
Are you watching Scarab? Oh!
Get him. Dude, this poor Low is having such a bad day. Oh, help! Oh, here I come.
Dude, I'm gonna get him.
Oh! Couldn't even get there in time. Oh my.
The low's coming back. Just watch.
That just about sums up his game in a nutshell.
Dude, they got so many levels from that.
Oh, do you see how much damage that finger?
Yes.
See this corp of
Is that
pain?
better?
I gang?
I'm coming.
It was worth it. Need to find someone to get your finger.
Here
Oh,
he
you
is.
got him!
I get the warlock. Do you see him?
Oh my,
Finger him.
hold on.
Oh, no. Okay.
Dude, it did that thing where I tried to buy a soul booster and accidentally got arcane boots. Dude, it triggers me so much. Holy moly.